Hello, my loves! In today's trash tutorial, I will be showing you how I make my OCs. Before we start, OC means original character, and you do not have to follow this tutorial. This is simply me explaining my way of making an OC. Alright, let's get started. Hello again! To start, I like to stick around these colors for the base color and these for the outline color. For my color palette, I stick to 3 colors: a main color, a subcolor, and an accent color. Sometimes I do break my rules if it calls for it or just to make a character stand out more. I choose my color palette based on several things: personality, backstory, aesthetic, time period, the tone, mood of the story, etc. The tint is my best friend. I usually keep it around 10 to 15%. It just helps make all the colors work together and look nice. Wow, that sure was a lot. Anyways, now let's actually design our OC. This part, especially this part, will be cut into sections. First, we need to think, who is our OC? What world do they live in? What kind of person are they? Etc. Then we need to ask the same questions for the story. Off the top of my head, let's do something really cliche and basic. A vampire OC that is medieval inspired. They are evil and trick humans via seduction. I think it would be a nice touch if this OC didn't have a definite gender. Let's start with the hair. This is actually the hair face section. I decided to add it together since that is how I normally do Try's process. When I see the words evil or seductive, I think of colors like pink. So I decided to go with pink, red, black, and blue. When I researched what the medieval times thought seductive colors would be, I immediately landed on midnight blue. Blue and pink go great together, so I changed the hair to pink and dark blue. It is okay to change things later, like what I just did. In fact, I redesigned my OCs 3 to 5 times before I actually post about them. Now we shall start hell or heaven to other people. I actually hate doing outfits so much, I was debating if this section should be in the video. I like to draw them, I just hate making them. So let's move on to outfits. Yay! I have no idea how to explain this section. I changed the tint color since it fit the mood more. Also, this is just a random OC, so I'm not worried if it looks good with my other OCs. For the outfit, I researched some seductive medieval-inspired outfits for both men and women. If you're like me and not creative with outfits or have no idea how to make them, I highly recommend you do some research, look up some pictures, etc. I also take into account whether I would want to draw or edit a certain part consistently, and if it would be fun for me. I try to make certain aspects of my OC unique to them. For example, if you see this flower in my hair, you'll immediately think of me. I know I mainly talked about colors in this tutorial, but colors are very important, at least to me. Colors can really make or break an OC in my opinion. Thank you all for 1.57k subscribers. Subscribe to join the Onion Gang. It's been a while since I said that. I truly don't know how any of my trash tutorials are helping you guys, but I'm happy they are. Believe it or not, I actually put a lot of effort and brain power into these trash tutorials. Let me know if you guys want another trash tutorial and which. If you found this trash tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and comment. Tap the subscribe button if you want. I'm trying to get to 2K. Have a lovely day, my loves.